Tuesday recipe is raspberry and dark chocolate muffin. So this is the perfect meal prep recipe. So what you're going to need for this one is 1.5 cups of flour. I'm using self-raising flour, but you can use whatever flour you prefer. I'm going to be using 1 scoop of the Happy Way vanilla protein powder. I'm using the vegan today. I've got 1/2 cup here of almond milk. I'm going to be using just a sprinkle of cinnamon. I've got 2 eggs, about 100 grams of dark chocolate, which I'll chop up, but alternatively you can just use dark chocolate chips. I'll be using about 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of stevia. I've got 1 cup here of raspberries. I'm using frozen raspberries, but you can use fresh. And I've got 50 grams here of organic butter, which I have melted. So to make this one, what you need to do is firstly preheat your oven to 180 degrees fan forced and line your muffin tray with muffin cases. And then I'm going to pop all my dry ingredients into a bowl, stir till combined, and then add in all the wet ingredients, and then use my electric mixer to beat together. And then I'm going to fold through my chopped chocolate and my raspberries, and then spoon that mixture into my baking tray, and then pop that into the oven to bake for roughly 15 to 20 minutes or until nice and golden on the top.